Welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create an amazing glow effect in Canva, step by step. First, open Canva and create a new design. Next, let's set the mood with a black and blue gradient background. Go to Elements, search Black-Blue Gradient. You'll see several options. Choose one that fades smoothly from dark black to electric blue. Now let's add our photo directly from Canva. Go to the Elements tab and type Beautiful Girl in the search bar. You'll see lots of portrait images appear. Choose one where the girl is facing, forward or slightly sideways, so the glow effect looks more natural. With the photo selected, click Edit Photo, Background Remover. Canva will automatically remove the background, leaving just the person. Once the background is gone, we're ready to create the glow effect. Once your picture is selected, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. From the left panel, choose Shadows. You'll see several shadow styles like drop, angle, curve, and glow. Since our topic is the glow effect, click on Glow. Canva will instantly add a soft glow around your photo. Now, let's fine-tune it. This part depends on your creativity. Click the little settings sliders icon next to Glow. Here you can adjust intensity, how bright the glow appears; blur, how soft or sharp the glow edges are; size, how far the glow spreads from your subject. Play around with these controls until the glow looks just right, not too harsh, not too dim. You can also change the glow color to match your design, like electric blue for our black and blue gradient background. And there you have it, a beautiful glowing portrait made entirely inside Canva. Let's make it look even better by adding some light effects from Elements. It'll give our photo a more realistic and eye-catching look. To make it pop, go to Elements, search My Glow. Add a few glowing circles or light flares behind your subject. This gives a professional cinematic feel. Adjust their size and transparency so they look natural. The goal is to make it seem like the light is coming from behind your subject. You can also add a soft blue shadow using Glow under Effects, Shadows. Glow if you want extra detail. Now let's polish the look. Go to Edit Photo, adjust and play with contrast slightly lower, brightness a bit higher, saturation increase for rich color, vignette lightly for focus. This makes your glow stand out beautifully against the black and blue background. And that's it. You just created a glow effect on a portrait in Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for your social media or thumbnail designs. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva editing tricks. Drop your ideas in the comments. What effect should I try next? Thanks for watching.